Good morning, student. Hi there, can you hear me? Alright now, welcome back to our English class and I am your English teacher. My name is Teacher Kwan. Nice to see you again. Alright now, student. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Well done. Alright now, before we get started with our wonderful story, we are going to sing and dance together. Do you love to sing and dance with me?
Yes.
Now, let's stand up, stand up. Let's sing and dance along together with this song. Hello song. Now stand up, students, stand up. Don't forget to set up like this. And then let's dance together.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say
And you
hello?
will say hello. Good job. Do it again.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3.
Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say
You will say
hello?
hello. Good job. One more time.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3. And then you will say hello. That is. So let's move to the next song. And this song is called Five Fat Sausages. Do you know how to sing and dance with this song?
Yes.
Alright, now let's sing and dance together. Don't forget to set up again. Move your head.
Five fat sausages sitting in a pan. Five fat sausages sitting in a pan. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. One goes bam. Four fat sausages sitting in a pan.
Move your head again.
Four fat sausages sitting in a pan. Four fat sausages sitting in a pan. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. One goes bam. Three fat sausages sitting in a pan. Three fat sausages
Take your pan.
Three fat sausages
Take
sitting in
your
a pan.
pan.
Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. One goes bam. Two fat sausages.
Take your pan again.
Two fat sausages
A little
sitting
bit
in a
tough.
pan. Two fat sausages sitting in a pan. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. One goes bam. One fat sausage sitting in a pan. One fat sausage
Let's
sitting
jump
in a
it.
pan. One fat sausage sitting
jump
in a
it.
pan. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. One goes bam. No fat sausage sitting in a pan.
Good on your students. You are good dancers. All Alright, now let's move to the next song. And this song is our entry song. Now let's sing and dance together.
Thank you, birds.
So, students, today we are still with our wonderful story of
Thank you, birds.
Thank you, birds. Alright, but before we getting started with our wonderful story, let's answer the questions. Now, students, let's answer the questions. Let's begin with the first question. And this question is, students, how are you today? How are you today? So, how are you today? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy?
No.
No. If you are not sleepy, or are you sad? Are you sad?
No, teacher.
Oh, you are not sad. What about, are you angry? Angry. Are you angry?
No.
Oh, you say no again. So, how are you today? Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, if you say yes, now this time you will say, I am happy. Your turn.
I am happy.
Excellent. Now let's do it again one more time. Students, how are you today?
I am happy.
Wonderful. Alright, now let's move to the next question. And this question is, listen carefully.
How's the weather?
Let's repeat this sentence. Let's repeat this question after me.
How's the weather?
How's the weather? Your turn.
How's the weather?
Good job. So, can you answer this question? How's the weather? Now, let's look at the window. Look at the window. Look at the outside. And then tell me, how's the weather?
It's windy.
Today, is it windy? Is it windy?
No, teacher.
Oh no, today is not windy. And what about this one?
It's rainy.
Today, is it rainy? Rainy. Is it rainy?
No.
Oh, good job. Today is not rainy. And what about this one?
It's cloudy.
And this one, student. Today, is it cloudy? Is it cloudy?
No, teacher.
Oh no, good job. Today is not cloudy. So, how's the weather?
It's sunny.
And what about this one? Today, is it sunny? Is it sunny?
Yes, teacher.
Good job. Today is sunny. Now, let's repeat this sentence after me.
It's sunny.
It's sunny. Your turn.
It's sunny.
Good job. And let's do it again one more time. And this time, when you say it's sunny, you have to act like this. It's sunny. Alright, let's do it again one more time.
It's sunny.
It's sunny. Your turn.
It's sunny.
Great work. And now we will move to the next question. And this question is, listen carefully again.
What day is it today?
Now, let's repeat this question after me. What day is it today? Your turn.
What day is it today?
Excellent. Now, let's find out the correct answer of this question. What day is it today? Tick tock, tick tock.
Today is Wednesday.
Student, today is Wednesday. Is this correct? Yes or no?
No.
No, good job. Today is not Wednesday. This one is not correct. And what about this one?
Today is Monday.
Today is Monday. This one is the correct one. Yes or no?
No, teacher.
Oh no, good job. Today is not Monday. It's not correct too. Let's find out another answer. So, which one? What about this one?
Today is Friday.
Today is Friday. Is this correct? Yes or no?
No, teacher. Today is not Friday.
Good on you. No, today is not Friday. Excellent. And what about this one, students?
Today is Saturday.
Today is Saturday. This one, is this correct? Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, good job. This one is the correct answer. Let's listen it carefully.
Today is Saturday.
And then repeat after me. Today is Saturday. Your turn.
Today is Saturday.
Great work. Alright, student, that teacher told you we are still with the wonderful story of
Thank you, birds.
Thank You Birds. And today we are going to see our story of Thank You Birds, and then we are going to practice the words from this story. After that, we are going to practice more with our fun activities. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Now, let's move to our story box. Don't forget to pay attention.
Storybox.
Thank you, birds.
I'm hungry, Dad. What do we have?
We have one orange, but that's for Mom.
Alright, student. Now, this little boy, he getting hungry. And then he asks to his dad, what do we have, Dad? I'm so hungry. And then his dad said, we have just only one orange. But that one is what's for his mom. Oh, poor little boy. And then one day,
Dad, look!
Stop! Stop! Go away!
oh now, student, that bird has stored there one orange. And his dad said, stop, stop, go away.
That orange was for Mom.
Oh, now they all look so sad. He is crying. That orange was for Mom, and now it's what's stolen by the birds. And student, let's pay attention again.
Oh, poor boy. Let's help him. Oh, I have an idea.
Now, these birds, they heard about that, and they are going to help him. How? Let's see. Oh, let's take a look.
Stop! Stop! Go away!
This bird trying to help them.
they, Dad?
Alright, student, now is the next day in the morning. They are waking up and then this little boy, he is arguing to his dad. Oops, look at the window. What are they, Dad? What are they? So, student, can you remember? What are they?
Orange.
Orange. Maybe. Now, let's find out together. Let's see. Look.
They are oranges. It's an orange tree.
It's an orange tree. Good job, student. And it has a lot of oranges.
What are they, Dad?
And next then, this little boy arguing to his dad again. And then, this one is an orange tree. And what are they in the back one? Student, guess what? What are they?
Is it apples?
Apples. Maybe. Now, let's check it out together with this one.
Wow! They are apples.
It's a big apple tree.
Alright, student, now it's a big apple tree and it has a lot of apples.
What are they, Dad?
And then the next one. This boy, he has some question to ask to his dad. Dad, what about this one? What are they? The yellow one. Guess what, student? What is this?
Bananas.
Bananas. Maybe. Now let's find out together with this yellow one.
These are bananas.
It's a banana tree.
Good job, student. This one is a banana tree and it has a lot of bananas. Oh, now they have a lot of
Mom,
fruits.
look! I had oranges, apples, and bananas.
Alright, student. Now they have a lot of apples, oranges, and bananas.
Have some apples.
Let's have together.
Oh, they have some fruits together and they look happy.
Thank you, birds.
Alright, and finally, they said, thank you, birds. Thank you so much for help them. Now they have a lot of fruits. Alright, student. Now, end up of our story of thank you, birds. And then the next part, we are going to practice more with our Workbook. Can you remember some of words from the story?
Yes.
Good job. Now, let's practice more with our Workbook.
Word box.
Alright, student. Now, this one is our words that we are going to practice. Don't forget to listen carefully and then try to repeat how to pronounce all of these words. Let's begin with the first one. And this one is, listen carefully.
Orange. Orange.
Repeat after me. Orange. Orange. You turn.
Orange. Orange.
Excellent. And let's practice with our sentence. This sentence is,
They are oranges.
they are oranges. You turn.
They are oranges.
Excellent. Alright, now let's move to the next word. And this one is, listen carefully.
banana, banana.
Repeat after me. Banana, banana. You turn.
banana banana
That's it. And then move to our sentence.
They are bananas.
They are bananas. You turn.
they are bananas
Excellent. They are bananas. Let's move to the next word. And this word is
Peach, peach.
repeat after me. Peach, peach. You turn.
peach peach
Well done. And then the sentence of this word is
It's a peach.
it's a peach. You turn.
is a peach
Wonderful. Now let's move to the next one. And the next word is
Apple, apple.
repeat after me again. Apple, apple. You turn
apple apple
and move to the sentence.
They are apples.
They are apples. You turn.
they are apples
One more time, please.
They are apples.
They are apples. You turn.
they are apples
Great work. Now let's move to the next word. And this word is
Lemon, lemon.
repeat after me. Lemon, lemon. You turn.
lemon lemon
And then the sentence, this sentence is
It's a lemon.
it's a lemon. You turn.
is a lemon
Excellent. Alright, now we move to our last word of this part. Let's listen carefully.
Delicious, delicious.
Repeat after me. Delicious, delicious. You turn.
delicious delicious
And this sentence, listen carefully.
They are delicious.
They are delicious. You turn.
they are delicious
One more time and louder, please.
They are delicious.
They are delicious. You turn.
they are delicious
Wonderful. Alright now, student, we have practiced with our 6 words over there already. Let's move to the next part. And next part, we are going to practice more with our student book.
Student book.
And this part is language art. We call how does it taste?
How does it taste?
Cut and fold along the lines, then say it.
Alright, student, this part of our activity is how does it taste? We are going to find the correct answer and then we are going to read the sentence from this dialogue. Now let's begin with the first one.
How does it taste?
Try it.
Alright, student, let's read our sentence. Listen carefully.
How does it taste?
Repeat after me. How does it taste? You turn.
how does it taste
Good job. After that, let's repeat after this bird.
Try it.
Try it. You turn.
try it
Good job, student. Now let's look at this picture. Guess what? What kind of this fruit over there?
is it strawberry
It's strawberry. Good job. This one is strawberry. And student, how does it taste of this strawberry? Have you ever eaten strawberry?
yes
Alright, and then did you know how does it taste of this strawberry? It would be sour or sweet? Sour or sweet?
Sweet.
Sweet. If you say sweet, now let's check it out together with
It's sweet.
it's sweet.
Okay.
Okay.
It's sweet. Yes, yes, the strawberry is sweet.
Now let's read this dialogue. Alright, listen carefully again.
It's sweet.
It's sweet. Your turn.
It's sweet.
Great work. And then move to this bird. It would say,
Yes, yes, the strawberry is sweet.
repeat after me. Yes, yes. Your turn.
Yes, yes.
The strawberry is sweet.
The strawberry is sweet.
Wonderful. The strawberry is sweet. And move to the next one.
How does it taste?
Try it.
In this one, this little girl, she is asking to this bird again. Now, let's repeat this sentence.
How does it taste?
How does it taste? Your turn.
How does it taste?
Good job. And then move to this bird. It say,
Try it.
try it. Your turn.
Try it.
Good job. Student, now let's look at this picture. The yellow one. Guess what? What is this?
Lemon.
It's lemon. Good job. This one is the lemon. And how does it taste of this lemon? Have you ever eaten lemon?
Yes.
And how does it taste? It's sweet or it's sour. Sweet or sour.
It's sour.
It's sour. Maybe. If you say it's sour, now let's check it out together with this answer.
It's sour.
It's sour.
That's it.
That's it.
It's sour.
Yes, yes, the lemon is sour.
Alright, now let's read this dialogue. Repeat after this girl.
It's sour.
It's sour. Your turn.
It's sour.
And then move to this black bird.
Yes, yes, the lemon is sour.
Repeat after me. Yes, yes. Your turn.
Yes, yes.
The lemon is sour. Your turn.
The lemon is sour.
Great work, student. And student, teacher have some question. And what about sugar? What about sugar? How does it taste of the sugar? Is sweet or sour?
Sweet.
Sweet. Good job. Sugar is sweet. Alright, student. Now we are going to do our exercise with the workbook. This one is your workbook. Now, please bring your workbook or worksheet beside you. We are going to do our exercise together. And then, please open your workbook on page 6 and 7. Page 6 and 7 is look like this. Alright.
Workbook.
Now, student, let's fire your pencil. Maybe you can use some colors or crayons. And let's do this part of activities together. Alright, student, now let's begin with page 6. This one is page 6. Okay, this part is page 6 and this part of exercise we call fruit spelling. Fruit spelling. This part of activities we are going to connect the word and then read all of the word. Let's begin with the first one. Look at this yellow one. Now we have banana, and which one is the correct one?
teacher.
Oh no, it's not match. What kind of this word? Banana is not correct. And what about banana? Banana.
No.
Oh no, again, it's not match. It's not correct. And what about this one? Banach. Banach. Is this correct?
No, teacher.
Oh no, again. And what about this one? Banana. Banana.
Yes.
If you say yes, good job. Banana is the correct one. Now let's connect this word banana to na. Like this. You have to draw in the line like this. And then student, let's find out the correct picture of this word that we have connected. Banana. Which one is banana? The red one. Is this banana?
No.
Oh no, it's not. And what about the yellow one? This one.
No, teacher.
Oh no, this one is lemon. And what about this last one? The yellow one. Is this banana?
Yes.
Alright, if you say yes, now connect this part, banana, to the picture of banana like this. Alright, keep following student. Have you finished?
Yes.
Good job. We move to the next word. And teacher would change the color of my pencil. Now let's move to this word. And this word is lay. Lay. Which one is the correct one, student? It would be label. Label. Is this correct?
No.
Oh no. And what about this one? Late. Late. Is this correct? Late.
No, teacher.
Oh no again. And what about this one? Lemon. Lemon. Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes, lemon is the correct. Now let's connect this word by drawing the line like this. Lemon. Lemon. Alright, keep following student. And then let's find out the picture of lemon. Which one is the correct one? Lemon. The red one. Is this lemon?
No.
No. And what about this orange one? Is this lemon?
No again.
Oh, no way. It's not lemon. And what about this yellow one? Is this lemon?
Yes.
If you say yes, that's it. Now, let's connect this word to the picture of lemon. Drawing the line like this. Alright, now have you finished with this word, lemon?
Yes, teacher.
Good job. Now let's move to the next word. And teacher would change the color of my pencil again. This one teacher will use blue. And look at this one. And this one is up. Up. And it would connect to up. Up. Is this correct?
No.
Oh no, it is not matched. This one is not correct. And what about this one? Almond. Almond. Is this matching?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not matched. And what about this one? Apna. Apna.
Oh no, it's not correct.
No way. What kind of weird word? Apna is not correct. And what about this one? Apple. Apple. Is this correct?
Yes, yes.
Yes, it would be apple. Now let's connect this word by drawing the line up to pull like this. Now we have apple. And then let's find out the picture of apple. Which one is the correct picture? The yellow one. Is this apple?
No.
Oh no. And what about this orange one? Is this apple?
No, teacher.
Oh no. And what about the red one over there? Is this apple?
Yes, yes.
Now, good job. This one is apple. Let's connect this word to this correct picture. Drawing the line like this. And now we have apple. Alright. Keep following, student. Have you finished?
Yes.
And then now we move to the last word of this part of page 6. Teacher will change my pencil color again. This time teacher would use the yellow one. And this word is orange, orange, orange. What's coming up next? It would be orange na. Orange na.
No.
Oh no. And what about this one? Orange mon. Orange mon.
Oh no.
Oh no, it's not correct. And what about this one? Orange. Orange. Is this correct?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yes, that's it. Now let's connect this word orange. And then let's find out the correct picture of orange. Which one is orange? The red one. Is this orange?
No.
No, it's not orange. And what about the yellow one? Is this orange?
No.
Oh no. And what about the circle one? Is this orange?
Yes.
Yes, this one is the correct one. Now let's connect this word to the correct picture like this. And then student, we are going to read all of the words over there. Repeat after me. The first one. Sorry. Alright, repeat after me. This picture. Apple, you turn.
Apple.
And the next one. Orange, you turn.
Orange.
And the next one. Lemon, you turn.
Lemon.
Move to the last picture. Banana, you turn.
Banana.
Excellent. Alright, now let's move to page 7. Page 7. And these activities, we are going to match the question to the correct answer. So, student, let's find out your pencil again. Sorry, I lost my voice. And then, now student, we are going to answer the question. Let's look at this picture. And this question is, what is it? What is it? Repeat after me. What is it? You turn.
What is it?
Good job. Let's find out the correct answer. What is it? It's a tree. It's a tree. Is this correct?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this one? They are bananas. They are bananas. Is this correct?
No.
No way, it's not banana. And what about this one? It's a bird. It's a bird. Is this correct, this picture?
Yes, teacher.
Good job. This one is the correct one. Now let's connect this picture to this correct answer. Drawing the line like this. And then let's repeat it again. Repeat after me. What is it? Your turn.
What is it?
The answer is it's a bird. Your turn.
It's a bird.
Well done. Alright, now let's move to the green one. This one. Look at this picture, student. And this question is, repeat after me. What are they? Your turn.
What are they?
Good job. Now let's find out the correct answer of this picture. What are they? The answer is would be, it's a tree. It's a tree. Is this correct?
No, teacher.
No way, it's not a tree. And what about this one? They are bananas. They are bananas. Is this correct?
No.
Oh no, they are not bananas. And what about this one? They are birds. They are birds. Is this correct, this one?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, this one is the correct one. Now, let's connect this question to the correct answer. Drawing the line like this. And then, let's read it. Repeat after me. What are they? Your turn.
What are they?
And then the correct answer is, they are birds. Your turn.
They are birds.
Wonderful, student. And now, let's move to the next question. Look at the yellow one. Look at this picture. And this question is, repeat after me. What is it? Your turn.
What is it?
Good job. Look at this picture. Student, what is it? It would be, they are bananas. It would be, they are bananas. Is this correct? They are bananas.
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this one? It's a tree. It's a tree. This one, is it correct? It's a tree.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, good job. This one is the correct answer. Now let's connect this picture to the correct answer like this. And then let's read it. Repeat after me. What is it? Your turn.
What is it?
And the answer is, it's a tree. Your turn.
It's a tree.
Well done. Alright, now we move to the purple one. This is the last question of this part. And this question is, what are they? Repeat after me. What are they? Your turn.
What are they?
Now, students, look at this picture. What are they? And then let's find out the correct answer. They are birds. Is this correct?
No.
Oh no, they aren't birds. And what about this one? They are bananas. They are bananas. Is this correct?
Yes, teacher.
Good job. This one is the correct one. They are bananas. Now, let's connect this question to the correct answer. Drawing the line like this, and then let's read it. Repeat after me. What are they? Your turn.
What are they?
And the answer of this question is, they are bananas. Your turn.
They are bananas.
Good job. Keep following, student. Now, have you finished?
Yes.
Good job. And then we are moving to the next part. And then the next part we are going to practice more with our song Yummy Yum Yum. Can you remember how to sing and dance with this song Yummy Yum Yum?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, today we are going to practice more with this song.
Student book.
Yummy, yum, yum.
Alright, student, this song is called Yummy Yum Yum. Now, let's listen carefully.
Let's have a fruit party. Apples, bananas, juicy, fresh, yummy. Juicy, fresh, yummy. Let's have a fruit party. Oranges, grapes, juicy, fresh, yummy. Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Alright, good job. Now, let's practice how to sing with this song again. Alright, let's sing with the first section of this song. Repeat after me.
Let's have a fruit party.
Let's have a fruit party. Your turn.
Let's have a fruit party.
Good job. And then the next part.
Apples, bananas,
Repeat after me. Apples, bananas. Your turn.
Apples, bananas.
Excellent. And then the next part of this song is sing.
juicy, fresh, yummy.
Repeat after me. Juicy, fresh, yummy. yum, yum. Your turn.
Juicy, fresh, yummy, yum, yum.
One more time, please.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy, yum, yum. Your turn.
Juicy, fresh, yummy, yum, yum.
Good job. And let's practice more with the next part.
Let's have a fruit party.
Repeat after me again. Let's have a fruit party. Your turn.
Let's have a fruit party.
And then the next part.
Oranges,
Oranges.
grapes,
Grapes.
Oranges, grapes. Your turn.
Oranges, grapes.
Good job.
juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Repeat after me with this section. Juicy, fresh, yummy, yum, yum. Your turn.
Juicy, fresh, yummy, yum, yum.
One more time with the last section.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy, yum, yum. Your turn.
Juicy, fresh, yummy, yum, yum.
Good job, student. Now we are going to practice how to dance with this song. So, student, let's stand up.
Warm up.
We are going to practice how to sing and dance with this song. Yummy, yum, yum. Let's stand up, stand up. And then let's sing and dance together.
Let's have a fruit party. Apples,
Apples.
bananas,
Bananas.
juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Let's have a fruit party. Oranges,
Oranges.
grapes,
Grapes.
juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Alright, let's practice again one more time with this song.
Let's have a fruit party. Apples,
Apples.
bananas,
Bananas.
juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Let's have a fruit party. Oranges,
Oranges.
grapes,
Grapes.
juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Well done, students. Don't forget to practice how to sing and dance with this song. Yummy, yum, yum. Alright, students, for today is thumbs up and then we have to say goodbye. Now let's sing and dance with our last song. And this song is called Goodbye Song.